Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One Step YouTube channel, and we're back with another Binance related video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Binance Lite to Binance Pro. Basically, Binance has two, mode, which is Lite mode and Pro mode. In Lite mode, you do not have a lot of option to play around with and a lot of setting to play around with. It's basically for newcomer who do not know much about cryptocurrency and Binance. If you guys are new, then having a lot of buttons in your screen can make you confused. So they have Lite version where they do not have a lot of buttons. You just have like this little, buying place and trading place over here and your wallet to see how much, cryptocurrency you have, which is the easy version. Now, if you guys are pro and you want to trade in a professional way with like a lot of buttons to play around with and you want to unlock more feature of Binance, then you guys need the pro version of it. So if you guys are a beginner, then stick around with it because in pro version, it gets really confusing because there's a lot of button, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can change to pro. Basically, before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any questions related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link in the description to sign up into Binance to get $10 bonus for free, and you can use that $10 to buy any crypto in Binance. Let's jump right into the video. You can click on this profile icon at the top. After you click on it, you can see this Binance Lite over here. It's turned on. You just want to turn it off. Once you turn it off, it will switch to Pro just like this, and basically now you are in Binance Pro. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of buttons to play around with and a lot of things you can do, alright? So if you guys want to, trade professional way, go to Pro. But if you want to trade casually, then use Binance Lite, which is the easier way. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change from Binance Lite to Binance Pro. Hope you guys were able to understand this video. If you were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer guys. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link in the description to get $10 bonus for free. And enjoy your free $10 bonus, and I will see you guys in my new video. Bye bye until then.